Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differentiate. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, so if we do first the derivative of this one, they will have like this. So we have 1 plus s squared and y to the power of 2. Later that we do first the derivative of s squared and y in here. So this one we have number 1. This one we have first the derivative of s multiplied by y squared. Later that we do first the derivative of y squared. This is about the product rule of the derivative. Now we can do the same. So this one we have 2s. This one we have dy over dx. This one we have number 1. This one we have 2y and dy over dx. The question they want to find dy over dx. So in this situation, we put dy over dx go to the left, and if we don't have dy dx, we will put on the right. So this one we can put like this. So this one I will put on the left. So we have negative sign in here. This one I will put on the right. And we have negative sign in here. So we have dy dx. We can do about factorization. Later that we divide both sides by this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.